So it does a silent test every day that nobody knows about except us. So every morning it runs a test at 7 a.m.
7.
What does it do? I mean,
It just polls all the sirens. So it's a silent, just make sure that there's communication between this system and the siren itself.
That's neat, isn't it, Jack?
So
yeah, it's neat. It's like neater than a pen.
yeah, it does that every morning.
How many tornadoes have you guys seen in your days as firefighters?
2 for me.
I think I've seen sprites. Is that what they're called? Water sprites?
Water spouts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all I've seen. I grew up in South Florida, so.
Yeah, she's from Florida.
So she's from Stanford.
Yep.
Okay.
Stanford, Apopka, Orlando.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I'm from Fort Lauderdale, so.
Oh, yeah.
Very, very, very south.
Yeah.
I think we did have a tornado one time, and it jumped multiple counties and took out my key lime tree, or my mom's key lime tree. I was a really small kid, but I didn't get to see it. It just happened.
So yeah, the place I go to the beach at got hit by a tornado the day before yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Got a stone
Really?
tornado every year.
Wow.
It was a spin-off of the hurricane.
Mom can tell the story. I was at my home in Akka, right? And a tree was uprooted from my house.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
It was when we lived at
Scary.
7 Palmer Street.
Yep. There was a tree that got picked up during Hurricane Zeta. And, about 4 o'clock in the morning.
Alright, so click this button right here.
JT, pay attention.
Press that one right there. Give it 1 second. Alright, press that one again. Alright, you just set them off. You can walk outside and hear it if you want to.
You wanna go outside? That's your favorite. Do you hear it, Jack? Turn around.
That truck kind of rounded it out.
Yeah.
Whoop, there it is.
There it is, Jack. You did that. I'm taking a video, but you got to come back over here where I can see you.
So if you hear these, you better, because it's like Jennifer taught me. You need to put enough space between you and outside floor. Because in a year or so, you'll remember Oklahoma was ravaged by 1990 tornadoes.
Please. Are you happy? Smile. Look at me and smile. Did I surprise you? Are you in shock?
Yeah.
Now you ready to go for a ride in that?
You want to go for a ride?
Can she stay here?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a lap, and we're gonna bring it around and pull it right back in.
Okay. Go on. Oh, you gotta wait for them.
I'm too excited.
That's the famous saying out of the new Twisters movie. If you can feel it, chase it.
see, all this stuff is linked to my phone, so anytime we get an activation, I get a notification
Wow.
to here. So all the morning checks